Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Isomac Milano espresso machine. Now this machine was brought to us because it was not heating, and it was just not really not heating at all. One of the relays that you see right here was definitely was not functioning. It was receiving power from the board, but it was not transferring that power to the heating element itself. We also had to replace the fuse that is connected to the heating element too. And while we were inside, we also descaled the machine and descaled the heat exchanger and descaled the boilers. We also cleaned the E61 group head. There was a lot of coffee buildup inside of it, especially around the shower screen. And you can see the older shower screen right here. Has a lot of coffee buildup. The gasket is basically the gasket, and it just cracks. You just see like that. Yeah, so it definitely needs to be replaced. So right now we're gonna wait for the machine to build up some pressure. Right now it's at 0 bars, and it started to just get up to pressure as we started just get a little bit of steam coming out from the steamer one. So we're gonna wait for the machine to reach up to 1.2 bars, as that's the settings I left the pressure stop on, since the machine was not overheating, but it was heating up to 1.5 bars, which is a little hot for these kinds of machines. So we turn it down to 1.2. We're also gonna be doing an espresso shot once we test the steamer and the hot water and the group head. Okay, machine's almost all the way to 1.2, and as you see, the heat element light just came off, so the machine has reached its target temperature, and now we can do an espresso shot. Now we're using a single basket, and we're using our grind from our Elite Bianca, so hopefully we can see a nice steady shot coming out of the espresso machine. And as you see, that's a really good shot of espresso, really good flow, and good crema that is going to be forming once it reaches around 1 ounce of liquid. I'm gonna stop it right here, as the basket is a tiny basket and does not hold more anything like that. Good shot of espresso, good crema, pressurizing properly. Perfect for the size of this basket and the quantity of coffee that I put in there. Excellent flow coming out from the group head. Great temperature as well. We also replaced 2 of the gaskets that are located right here on the lever, because we noticed that the lever was a little bbit harder to turn. It's going to be a little harder as well, and that's because the gaskets are brand new. As they wear down, it's going to be much easier, and it's going to be much easier to activate the brew group. Steam for this machine, as you can see, nice and steady, excellent pressure, really good temperature. I'm burning my hand right here, working the way it's supposed to. Hot water working well too. Nice steady flow coming out of there. As you can see, really hot, excellent temperature. That water is around 253 degrees Fahrenheit. As the fresh water starts going inside the boiler to replace the water that we just removed, you see that the pressure of the boiler decreases, and that's because cold water is entering the boiler and is decreasing the temperature inside. Once the machine finishes up filling the boiler, the machine will start heating up. It's already heating up, as you can see from the heating element light right here, and it will get back again to target temperature, which will be 1.2 bars. As you see, the gauge is starting to slowly go to 1.2 bars. The temperature of the boiler is slowly increasing, and the machine is getting to target temperature. Alright, now that the pressure start reach its target temperature, the boiler stop heating, as you saw from the light turning off, and the machine now is on idle and it's ready to brew. So there you have it, Isomac Milano working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching. As you can see, the element went back again to heating. And it's going back again to target temperature. And it stopped heating. Thanks for watching.